We don't say that. Only mommy says that word. She coined it. It belongs to her.
Why you up?
Because I got some important shit going on here. What do you think? No, I got something on my mind. I got something on my mind.
Was it juice puffs?
Sure was. Love you tons.
I love you,
I thought I probably better record a letter of greeting in the case of an untimely death on my part. I mean, not that death at any time isn't untimely. Then again, that's the hero gig. Part of the journey is the end.